shake it loose together. The spotlight's hitting something that's been known to change the weather. We'll kill the fatted calf tonight, so stick around. You're gonna hear electric music, solid walls of sound. Say, Candy and Ronnie, have you seen them yet? Ooh, but they're so spaced out. Benny and the Jets. Oh, but they're weird and they're wonderful. Oh, Benny, she's a really keen. She's got electric boots, a mohair suit. You know I read it in a magazine. Oh, Benny and the Jets. Benny and the Jets. Hey kids, plug into the faithless. Maybe they're blindless, but Benny makes them ageless. We shall survive.